Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class. Hope you all are fine, safe at home. In the previous video we have started our new chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. So here we will continue our third chapter. In the previous video I have explained you about linear equations, what is a linear equation and how to get the solutions of a linear equation, graphical representation of linear equation, and also I have told you about how to find the solution of pair of linear equations. So before starting this video I would like to request, if you have not seen the previous video, not studied the previous video, please do it, then proceed to this. So here in this video I am going to discuss algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equations. So as we have seen how to get the graphical solutions through graphical method, so here we will discuss algebraical method to find the solutions. So as it has different methods, so first we will discuss about substitution method. So to know about this method, let us take an example. We will take a pair of linear equations. First equation 7x minus 15y equals to 2, and the second one is x plus 2y equals to 3. So this is two equations, pair of linear equations. So the solution to this pair of linear equation means the point that lies on both the lines represented by these two linear equations, or the common point on both the lines represented by these two linear equations. So in this method, let's see how we will do. First of all, we will take, or we will choose any of the equation from these two. As here I can take equation 2 and write one variable in terms of other, just as shown here. X plus 2y is equal to 3. So I am taking the x in left side and taking 2y right side. So x equals to 3 minus 2y. So let this be equation 3. I have written this x in terms of y. So this is called writing x in terms of y. In the same way we can write y in terms of x. Okay, so here we have written x in terms of y, x equals to 3 minus 2y. So substituting this value of x in equation 1, that is 7x minus 15y equals to 2. So what we get, 7 multiplied by 3 minus 2y, which is value of x, minus 15y equals to 2. We will open the bracket. So we get 21 minus 14y minus 15y equals to 2. So we will solve the like terms. Minus 14y minus 15y will be added. So we get 21 minus 29y equals to 2. So now taking the constant to the right side, minus 29y equals to 2 minus 22. Then minus 29y equals to minus 19, which gives y equals to 19 by 29. Since both side negative signs will be cancelled out, so it will become positive. So this is the value of y. So substituting this value of y in equation 3, we get x equals to 3 minus 2 multiplied by 19 by 29. As the value of y is 19 by 29, so in place of y I have substituted this. Solving, we get 3 minus 38 by 29. Taking LCM, then we get 49 by 29. So this is the value of x. Therefore the solution is x equals to 49 by 29 and y equals to 19 by 29. So this is the point, or we can say the coordinates of a point. Okay, so this is the coordinate of the common point which lies on both the straight lines represented by this given pair of linear equations. So this is how we can solve the given pair of linear equations using substitution method. So to know more clearly, let us have a practice, because without practice we cannot remember. So we will just practice once more. We will take one question here. Solve the given pair of linear equations by substitution method. So let's write the equation. 3x minus y equals to 3. 9x minus 3y equals to 9. Now before proceeding, first of all we will check by comparing the ratios of coefficients whether the given pair of linear equations has a unique solution, no solution, or infinite many solution. So you must remember that before solving any pair of linear equations, you must check it whether they have a unique solution, no solution, or infinite number of solutions, because you can get the solution only in one case when they have unique solution, and in other two cases, that is infinite and no solution, we will not solve the given pair of linear equations. So first of all, we will check it. So here a1 by a2 equals to 3 by 9, which can be written as 1 by 3, and b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3 again. c1 by c2 is equal to 3 by 9 equals to 1 by 3. So here clearly we see that all the ratios are equal. a1 by a2 is also 1 by 3, b1 by b2 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 is also 1 by 3. Therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. I think you must have recalled that when the ratios are equal, the given pair of linear equations has infinite number of solutions. Okay. Therefore, the given pair of equations has infinite many solutions. That means the two lines are coinciding. The two lines represented by this given pair of linear equations are coinciding. That's why they have infinite number of solutions. Okay. So remember, whenever you are going to solve the equation, before solving, just check it whether check it by comparing the ratios. Okay. So in every case, it is not needed to show the ratios, the conditions. Only if the equations does not have unique solution, in that case only we will show these ratios. Otherwise, if it has a unique solution, simply we can just check it without writing here. Okay, no need to write in the solution, we can check it in rough. And if it has unique solution, then no need to show these steps. Simply we will proceed for solution. So next question. Same question here, same method, substitution method. So here we have linear equations, two equations here. So let's see the solution. The first equation, 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Now in these two equations we can see that all the coefficients and the constants are decimal numbers, and one more thing, that each coefficient and constant has one decimal places. So if we multiply both equations by 10, then we can easily remove these decimals from both equations. So I know that many of the students fear from decimal terms or solving the questions, simplifications involving decimals, because they have more chances of getting incorrect answers. But it is not so. If you do it having concentration, and if you know every concept, then there's no problem. But for the sake of having simple solution, let's multiply both the equations by 10. So the equation can be written as 2x plus 3y equals to 13, 4x plus 5y equals to 23. Okay. So taking equation 1, since this is a substitution method, so any of one equation we have to choose. So I will choose the first equation, 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Then I will represent x in terms of y. So you can see, first of all, I will take this 3y to the right side, because I will have to write x in terms of y. So all the y terms will be taken to the right side. So we get x equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. So this is x, written x in terms of y. So we will substitute this value. So now substituting this value of x in equation 2, 4 into 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y equals 23. So here clearly you can see in LHS, the 4 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator can be cancelled, because 4 is the factor of this term here. So we'll get 2 into 13 minus 3y plus 5y equals to 23. Now we will open the bracket and multiply. So 26 minus 6y plus 5y equals to 23. Simplifying, here minus 6y plus 5y will be subtracted. So 26 minus y equals 23, then minus y equals 23 minus 26, which gives minus y equals to minus 3. Then minus minus will be cancelled, so y equals to 3. So here we get this value of y. So now substituting this value of y in equation 3. In the previously equation 3 means this x equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2 that we have found in the previous page. So 13 minus 3 into 3 by 2, 13 minus 9 becomes 4 by 2, which is 2. So therefore the solution is x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Okay, so we have got the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Here I am not explaining you the simplifications, how to do that, because I think you know. If you have any doubt, you can simply ask me in the on my WhatsApp number, or you can comment. So let's solve the next method, that is elimination method. So the first we will take the equation 7x minus 15y equals to 2, x plus 2y equals to 3. In elimination method, we remove one variable by multiplying the equations with suitable number, different for different equations. Okay, means what we will do, as we have two equations, so we will make the coefficients of any one variable in both equations similar. Suppose here in the first equation I have 7x, the second equation I have x. So if I multiply the second equation by 7, then it will become 7x. In first equation already there is 7x, and second equation also will become 7x. So what I will do then, after making the coefficients same, we will subtract the equations. So that's why it is written that what we do, we make the coefficients of same variable equal and then we subtract the equations. Okay, so multiplying equation 2 by 7, subtracting equation 2 from 1, we will write down the equation first as it is. Second equation multiplied by 7, 7x, 7 2s are 14y, then 7 3s are 21. We will subtract. We know that when we subtract, we change the sign of the second equation. So that is we change the sign of the second equation here. All the positive terms will become negative here. So 7x will be cancelled. 15 minus 14 will become minus 29y equals to minus 19. So therefore y is equal to 19 upon 29. So we get the value of y here. Now substituting this value of y in equation 2, x plus 2 into 19 by 29 equals to 3. So here you can see that what we have done, we have simply substituted the value of y here. So solving x plus 38 by 29 equals to 3, which gives x equals to 3 minus 38 by 29. Solving this, we get x equals to 49 by 29. Okay, so sorry, I have not explained the simplifications again, I say here. So please when you are watching the video, simply note down the equations and try to solve by yourself and then match the solution here. Okay, so that you can be sure that the calculations are done correctly, okay, and accurately. So please do it. Then therefore the solution is x equals to 49 by 29 and y equals to 19 by 29. So I hope you have understood this elimination method. Let's solve one more question to have the practice of this method. By elimination method, we will solve this given pair of linear equations. The first is 3x plus 4y equals to 10, 2x minus 2y equals to 2. So once again what we will do, we will multiply the equations to get the same coefficients, equal coefficients of a variable. So here we can take any variable, we can make either x coefficients equal or y coefficients equal. So here easily if we see here sometimes we can cancel or eliminate the variables even by addition. Okay, it is not a hard and fast rule that we have to subtract only. The only task is to remove one variable, that is eliminate one variable. So that can even be done by adding two equations if the signs are different on that variable. So like here if we take y, so first equation is 4y, second equation minus 2y. So if I multiply the second equation by 2, then the 2y multiplied by 2 will become 4y. Then if we add these two equations, so automatically it will be cancelled, so no need to subtract. Okay, So here I can simply multiply the second equation by 2 to cancel the y, means eliminate the y term. Now if you want to eliminate x term, then we need to multiply both equations. First equation we will have to multiply by 2, then 2 3 is 6 x it will become, and the second equation should be multiplied by 3 2 is 6x, then the both x terms will be same, x coefficients will be same, and then we will subtract. Okay, so any of the one variable we have to eliminate. So here I am choosing y to eliminate. So multiplying equation 2 by 2, adding equation 1 and 2. The first will be written as it is, second will be 4x minus 4y equals to 4 multiplied by 2 all. So since I have to add, so no sign change will be there. So 3 plus 4x 7x, 4y 4 minus 4y cancel, 10 plus 4 14. Therefore x equals to 2. So we get the value of x here. Then substituting this value of x in equation 2, or we can substitute this value in any equation, because none of the equations directly are involved or individually. So in any equation we can substitute this value of x. So I have taken equation 2 here. So 2 into 2 minus 2y equals to 2, that is 4 minus 2y. So we get minus 2y equals to 2 minus 4, or minus 2y equals to minus 2. So y equals to 1. Okay, so once again I can suggest you that once you see the solution, please try to solve by yourself the same question. First of all, solve the same question so that you can get the you can find out the sort out the problems what you are facing. Okay, so therefore the solution is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So we have got the solution of this equation. So I hope you have understood this elimination method too here. Please remember that before solving the equations, we have to check whether the equations have unique solution, no solution, and infinite number solutions. As in this we saw in the starting only that it was a1 by a2 was not equal to b1 by b2. That's why I proceed with the solution. Okay, and if we get other than this condition, like if we get condition of no solution or if we get condition of infinitely many solutions, in both the cases we have to show the ratios and we need not to solve there. Okay, and also please remember that without practice you cannot remember. So please do the practice of the similar questions, and whatever the problems you have, sort out and get it clear with me. Okay, so here you have the home assignment, because without practice you cannot remember. So this is the exercises of NCERT textbook 3.3 and 3.4, which is your home assignment. So please do it. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understood, and for any queries please reply or consult me. So please subscribe and like and share the channel. You can share with your friends. You know that this year class 10th is a crucial stage for every student in every student life. So you can help your friends also to learn through this video, and this will be available every time, so you can go anytime and revise it twice, thrice to understand the concepts, and even you can ask me for more tips or more things if you don't get it. Okay, thank you.